Hi and welcome to this video. So आज की वीडियो का टॉपिक you can see it is it will not help you, like it will not be able you will not be able to understand okay what it is really about from the topic because it says drawing the line. But I think it's very important. This topic is very important, significant as well as real. मतलब ये बहुत ही real topic है जिसके बारे में बात करूंगी आज. And it is directly related to having an unhealthy relationship with yourself and how I will I will tell you about it. You will understand it. And plus we like this is such an important aspect of life, or about our self-worth, or how we treat ourselves, and how, in the significance of how we treat ourselves, and the importance of it, because it really impacts our life, and because it directly tells people that how I expect myself to be treated. So यहाँ पे जो टॉपिक है ना, ड्रॉइंग द लाइन, इट इज इन रिलेशन विद ड्रॉइंग द बाउंड्री. मतलब एक लाइन ड्रॉ करना, दैट व्हाट दिस इज अ लाइन, बियॉन्ड दिस यू कैन नॉट क्रॉस. मतलब अपने लिए यू डिसाइड अ लिमिट, यू सेट अ लेवल. मतलब इट्स अबाउट हाउ मच आई कैन टॉलरेट, हाउ मच आई एम अलाउइंग अदर पीपल टू क्रॉस माई बाउंड्री टू थ्रो शिट एट मी. So there needs to be a level, there needs to be a boundary. You need to draw a line at some certain point where other people know that what, beyond this I cannot cross, beyond this I cannot mess up with this person, or I will, or there will be consequences, which I think which becomes very difficult for us to draw and to make very clear to other people in case when we have an unhealthy relationship with ourselves. Meaning when we deep within ourselves we struggle with our value, struggle with our self-worth, that do I deserve it, or there is this strong fear that is it right to tell people to stop, is it right to talk back to people, is it right to just that thing that okay, if somebody is insulting me, if somebody is throwing a comment towards me which makes me feel uncomfortable and kind of makes me feel insulted in a group of people, do I really need to throw back, do I really need to cross it, do I really need to confront them, wouldn't it be rude, is it okay? So when we struggle with our relationship with ourselves, when we are not clear with what my value is, with what my self-worth is, or when I lack that strength in myself to talk for myself, to stand up for myself, to speak up when something doesn't feel good to me, when something makes me uncomfortable, or when somebody is trying to cross their boundary with me, it will feel difficult when I do not have a good relationship with my own self, when I struggle with my own value, when there's this doubt in my own self that is it okay to do, wouldn't it be rude, can I really do it? Because then it's like then we don't feel safe enough in ourselves to take a stand for ourselves. It's like we wait for some permission, or we wait for some other person to do it for us, that if it was really that bad, somebody would have said, somebody would have pointed it out, पर किसी ने कुछ नहीं कहा. See, understand, it is your life. The only person who is going to take stand for you is you. So this is what the video is about. And again, I'm making a video on this because again it came to me like an inspiration, something that I again saw in my life happening to some people, and I think this is such an important thing to understand and as well as to implement in your life, because your respect, your honor lies in you, and you hold the power to decide okay, how much people are going to respect me and honor me, and how much I am going to allow someone to cross their boundary with me, to disrespect me. And so it comes to you. And I think that's the beautiful part of this inner work, that this inner work, that the power is always in you, always. So let's start right away. So यहाँ पे again starting में I have drawn these two figures. This is us, ठीक है, यहाँ में this is the other person, और ये other person I will make it clear that most of the times I am assuming that this other person is a new person. मतलब कि थोड़ा सा मतलब नया इंसान है, like this person does not know you, like this is not a very close person, not a family member, not somebody you love, or not somebody who cares about you. ठीक है, तो I'm assuming that ये जो हमारा डायनेमिक है, जो हम लोग बॉन्ड शेयर कर रहे हैं, this person is quite new to me. This person is like kind of like somebody I've just met at work, or somebody I'm just meeting in a group setting. ठीक है, so this is this other person. अब क्या होता है ना, whenever two people meet, there is a dynamic of energy, मतलब एक energy play out हो रहा है. So हम consciously नहीं, but subconsciously we are always measuring that how much somebody is going to tolerate, how much can I, मतलब how much space can I take, how much boundary can I cross with some people. Always remember, there's always a dynamic playing between two people, and that is why you would notice that some people, they just have that they just they through their confidence or call it aura, anything, some people would never dare messing up with them. While on the other hand, with some people would be upfront कि हाँ, मतलब कुछ लोग ना, like some people, they they tend to exploit some people more than others. How do you, so have you ever wondered what makes them choose people? Like on what basis do they choose? You might say, oh, personality, they, they judge people by their looks. That's not the complete reality. What people actually measure is, or what people really try to find out is, through, they do it through energy. I mean, they observe, and then they find out that, okay, this person, I mean, they really find out that, okay, where can I exploit this person, like who can I exploit here, where can I extend my boundary and take more space, किसको मैं shrink करवा सकता हूँ, who among these people would shrink. So here this person, what this person is going to do is, see, मैंने ड्रॉ किया, this person ये shrink करे जा रहा है. तो जो इसकी बाउंड्री है, जिसका स्पेस मैंने बनाया है, वो इसकी बिल्कुल बॉडी के एकदम क्लोज है, एकदम क्लोजेस्ट, मतलब इससे ज्यादा श्रिंक नहीं हो सकता अब ये. एंड दिस पर्सन, ये अपनी जो इसका स्पेस है, दे आर एक्सपैंडिंग एंड एक्सपैंडिंग टू द पॉइंट दैट ये इसके बाउंड्री के कॉस्ट पे अपना ये जो, मतलब द स्पेस दैट दिस पर्सन इज टेकिंग बिलोंग्स टू देम. ये इंसान इसके स्पेस को वायलेट कर रहा है. ओके, ही इज एंटरिंग, पुशिंग, मतलब ही इज एक्चुअली मेकिंग दिस पर्सन श्रिंक. अब वहां पे हो क्या रहा है? See, यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? So let's first understand what this person is doing. So this person is consuming and taking up the space that actually belongs to this person. मतलब असली में इक्वल होना चाहिए था. तो इस इंसान का स्पेस यहाँ तक होता और इस इंसान का स्पेस यहाँ तक होता, बट ये इंसान यहाँ इसका स्पेस ले रहा है. मतलब इन अ वे इट इज एक्सप्लॉइटिंग दिस पर्सन. एंड और ये एक्सप्लॉइट का मतलब एक एग्जाम्पल क्या होता है? दिस पर्सन इज इंसल्टिंग यू. सो ये मैंने बहुत ही फिगर टाइप में आपको दिखाया, टेकिंग अप स्पेस. व्हाट डज टेकिंग अप स्पेस मीन? दैट दिस पर्सन इज इंसल्टिंग यू. They are deliberately throwing comments or treating you in a way which is not making you feel good, which is rather hinting that they are insulting you. So you are feeling that, you are able to get that somewhere this person is making uncomfortable comments towards me, which he's not making to other people. It's only happening with me. You would also notice that people, like, it's like people have chosen it. People choose me to do it with me, and I will tell you the reason why people do it and what makes them feel that they can do it with you. ठीक है, तो इट्स लाइक यहाँ पे ये पर्सन आपको एक्सप्लॉइट कर रहा है इन अ वे, इंसल्टिंग यू एंड ट्रीट्स यू लाइक डोर मैट, ऑलमोस्ट लाइक अ डोर मैट. बिकॉज सी, व्हाट इज अ डोर मैट? डोर मैट इज समथिंग दैट यू वॉक ओवर. ये इंसान क्या कर रहा है? दिस पर्सन इज लिटरली वॉकिंग ओवर यू, बिकॉज फॉर दिस पर्सन योर स्पेस डज नॉट मैटर, यू डज नॉट मैटर, दे डू नॉट रिस्पेक्ट यू. तो यहाँ पर ये हो रहा है. लेट्स सी कि व्हाट इज इनेबलिंग दिस पर्सन टू टेक एडवांटेज ऑफ दिस पर्सन हु इज अस. ऐसा क्या है कि इसको लग रहा है दैट व्हाट आई कैन टेक एडवांटेज ऑफ दिस पर्सन, और व्हाई of all the people he chose us to take advantage with, and he is taking advantage of us. How? First is no boundary. मतलब हमें लग रहा है कि this person is exploiting or this person is entering my space, but believe it or not, the first thing that is happening is no boundary. हमने कोई boundary नहीं draw की. We failed to draw a line, to draw a boundary, to make this person say that okay, stop, now यहाँ से मेरी boundary है. This is where my space starts, and you are not allowed to enter it. Second, shrink. We are constantly shrinking. So we are not confronting this person. We are not questioning this person. What are we doing? We are shrinking. So the moment this person tries to enter our space, we are like, okay, that energy reflects. मतलब हम बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, but वो energy में reflect हो रहा है that okay, you can come even more. हम shrink पे shrink हुए जा रहे हैं. And the third thing that is happening is avoidance. We are avoiding. मतलब अवॉइडिंग वॉट? वी आर अवॉइडिंग द कन्फ्रंटेशन. वे समवेयर वी आर अवॉइडिंग, मतलब हमें अंदर फील हो रहा होगा, शुड आई से समथिंग, दिस डजंट फील कंफर्टेबल, मतलब कि लाइक, और फिर इसका आंसर हमें क्या लगता है? वाई डू वी एंड अप अवॉइडिंग? बिकॉज वी फील लाइक ओ फालतू में ड्रामा होगा, इट वुड लुक रूड, और मे बी इट्स जस्ट नॉर्मल, मे बी दिस पर्सन डजंट मीन दैट, मे बी आई एम जस्ट फीलिंग टू मच, मे बी आई एम द वन फीलिंग कि बहुत इंसल्टिंग है, मे बी वो कॉमेंट नॉर्मल है, इट विल बी टू मच इफ आई मेक, इट विल बी अ ड्रामा इफ आई कन्फ्रंट इट. So actually what is happening? We think that कि ये इंसान ऐसा कर रहा है इसलिए हम श्रिंक हो रहे हैं, इसलिए हम यहाँ पे छोटे हो रहे हैं. बट इन रियलिटी फर्स्ट ये हो रहा है, पहले ये हो रहा है. सी, क्योंकि मैंने क्या इमेजिन किया, एज्यूम किया कि यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग हैं, इट्स अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल, पर ये सिर्फ हमारे साथ ही ऐसा हो रहा है. दिस पर्सन इज ओनली टेकिंग अप आवर स्पेस. सो वाई फर्स्ट ये हो रहा है, पहले ये हो रहा है, तभी ये हो रहा है. अगर यहाँ पर कोई और इंसान होता हमारी जगह, जिसके साथ ये सब नहीं लाइक इम्प्लीमेंट कर रहा होता, जो नो बाउंड्री, मतलब जहाँ पे नो बाउंड्री नहीं, बाउंड्री वो बना रहा होता, वो श्रिंक नहीं कर रहा होता और वो अवॉइड नहीं कर रहा होता, तो अगर वैसा केस होता तो दिस पर्सन वुड हैव नेवर टेकन अप दिस मच स्पेस. वो ये सब करता ही नहीं. वो एक्सप्लॉइट नहीं कर पाता है, इंसल्ट नहीं कर पाता, दैट दिस पर्सन वुड नॉट हैव बीन एबल टू ट्रीट यू लाइक डोमैट. Okay, so so this is what is happening at present. Okay, I'm assuming and this is what happens and trust me it happens. और यहाँ पे पता है हम किस माइंडसेट से आ रहे होते हैं. We think that oh I don't like conflicts. I like when I'm avoiding these things, when I'm avoiding confrontation, I'm actually protecting my peace. But इस peace का cost क्या है? It's very expensive. You are paying by your self worth, by your self respect, by your self image. Because see literally होता क्या है? What I would say is that the way I'm treating myself. मतलब see ये इंसान कुछ तो देख रहा है ना हमें, that they chose us to exploit us, that they chose us to throw mean comments or insulting comments towards us, thinking because somewhere this person felt safe doing it, somewhere this person felt that I can do it. What made this person feel that? हमें नहीं पता चला है ना. I'll tell you why. The way I'm treating myself or the way I respond to something or like anything that's happening with me. Like अगर किसी और ने मुझे कोई एक पहला कमेंट किया इंसल्टिंग which I didn't like, which felt uncomfortable to me. और जब मैं नहीं बोलती हूँ, when I just let it be, when I just accept it, people notice, people take the note that what, this person actually has no problem with it. मतलब it's okay, I can do it even more. लोगों को ऐसा लगने लगता है. And it's not just one person noticing it, everybody. And so people start to form, a mental image, a mental note that, okay, for this person, I can go to this length, I can go to this limit. So people decide how bad or, how much, how much you will tolerate based on how much you're tolerating right now or how you treat yourself right now. They think that they can treat you that way. So हमारे छोटे छोटे जो acts होते हैं, those very small acts, कि अगर किसी ने कुछ कहा, like if something felt insulting to me and I do not speak about it, I do not talk about it, I do not take up my space thinking that okay छोटी सी तो बात है, nobody would notice, क्यों फालतू बोलना, छोटी सी बात है, rude लगेगा. The moment I ignore something, the moment I let go of something that was insulting, that made me feel uncomfortable, but I chose not to speak, I gave a signal, I told other people subconsciously that what, I accept it, you guys can also behave with me in such way, it's okay with me, I will tolerate. ऐसा होता है. So this avoidance is not helping me. This ये जो shrink करने की आदत है, it is not helping me. It is like I am choosing to disrespect myself, and trust me, nothing is worse than choosing to not honor yourself, to not respect yourself. Because हमें लगता है that it is helping this person also. No, this person also laughs at you, or this person also feels bad, but they're literally taking advantage of you. And why would you want to be a person who जिसका लोग advantage लेते हो? Because then behind your back they laugh at you. They think that you are just not capable. Maybe you are thinking that you are protecting peace and helping yourself as well as other person also by not confronting them, by not being rude to them. But the same person laughs at you because you fail to take stand for yourself. The same person laughs at your back because they consider you so weak, so scared, such a fearful person, can't take a stand for yourself. So, the thing that I'm going to say is that when here you choose to respect yourself, when here you choose to draw the line, drawing the line simply means that you are able to draw the line and let the other person know clearly that you do not cross from here. So, and that is nothing but that is a sign, letting other person know that I respect myself and I am not going to tolerate after this much. All right. So this is the line, and you do not get to cross it. Because on this side, I am standing and I'm here for myself, and I get to decide what I'm going to take from outside, and you are not allowed in. So when we do that, what? That's like respecting yourself. And trust me, when you respect yourself, when you start to draw the boundary, to draw that line, to let others know that what is allowed and what is not, this person would start to do the same with you. They would really take a step back. They would become cautious. ये यहाँ से shrink करने लग जाएंगे, because now they would have no option but to leave your territory. They will have to leave, and now what will happen in their the note that they will now what note would they make mentally? That, okay, I cannot mess with this person. They take their stand. They are ready to confront. They are ready to be rude with me for themselves. So now they have made the note that I'm not going to mess with this person. And they're not going to come back tomorrow. And even if they do, you persist in that, with that line, with that boundary. And then this person learns that, okay, here it's not allowed. They will go and find somebody else until that person also learns their lessons. and begin to draw the line. So now let's talk about drawing that line in detail. For that, let's come to the second part, which is this, which is here, this. तो यहाँ पर देखो मैंने क्लियरली ड्रॉ किया है, अगेन वी आर दिस पर्सन, बट आई क्लियरली ड्रॉन अ बाउंड्री, अ वेल like enough spacey enough square or rectangle you can call it. इसका और ये मैंने लाइन्स जानबूझ के ड्रॉ किया टू लेट यू नो दैट ओके आई हैव लिटरली ड्रॉन द लाइन्स. मैंने लिटरली लाइन ड्रॉ की है एंड इनसाइड दिस नोबडी इज अराउंड. दिस इज माई स्पेस. दिस स्पेस बिलोंग्स टू मी. I here, and the meaning or the significance or the representation of this box or space literally means that I choose myself over you, over anybody else. I don't care if you would feel rude if I confront you. I don't care if I don't care what somebody else thinks of me if I stand for myself. I don't care if it is funny or too much for somebody. But I'm going to choose myself, and that is why I'm going to speak up for myself. I'm going to draw the line. I'm not going to take shit from you. I'm not going to tolerate more than a limit. And यहाँ पे मैंने, और यहाँ पे ये दूसरा इंसान है, अदर पर्सन. नाउ दिस पर्सन हैज टेकन द बैक सीट. ये अपनी दुनिया में है, बिकॉज नाउ वी हैव स्टॉप लिटरली स्टॉप देम. यहाँ पर सी, यहाँ पर आई स्टार्टेड टू फोकस ऑन माई सेल्फ. यहाँ पर मैंने खुद पे फोकस करना स्टार्ट कर दिया है. दैट इज वाई आई एम द बिगर पर्सन. द अदर पर्सन हैज मतलब ये मेरे लिए इतना सिग्निफिकेंस अब होल्ड नहीं करता है. दैट इज वाई इन माई वर्ल्ड दिस पर्सन इज स्मॉल. यहाँ पर क्या था, मेरे लिए ये पर्सन बड़ा था मेरे लिए, मुझसे, बिकॉज आई वॉज फोकसिंग ऑन देम. आई वॉज थिंकिंग मोर अबाउट देम कि इन्हें रूट तो नहीं लगेगा, कुछ गंदा तो नहीं लगेगा, वॉट इफ दे डिडंट मीन इट, और मैं उसको कन्फ्रंट करूँ एंड इट टर्न्स आउट टू बी डिफरेंट. अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, दे वुड फील बैड, मे बी दे जस्ट थिंक गुड ऑफ मी, मे बी उनका आदत है, इट्स जस्ट देयर पर्सनैलिटी, दे आर जस्ट दिस वे विद एवरीबडी. तो वी आर फोकस्ड मोर ऑन दिस पर्सन. इसलिए इसका सिग्निफिकेंस मेरी लाइफ में आता है. यहाँ पे when I am in a position where I'm able to draw the line, where I have drawn the lines, for the other person does not matter to me so much. What matters to me more? I matter to me more, and that is why I have taken the bigger space. So यहाँ पर this is my space. I choose myself here, and I've written your blueprint to others. So meaning to say the way you behave with yourself or the boundary that you draw for yourself. See यहाँ पर हमने बहुत ही अच्छा एक बाउंड्री खुद के लिए बनाया है, स्पेसी. So ये जो बाउंड्री मैंने खुद के लिए ड्रॉ किया ना, it is nothing but a blueprint that I give to others. This blueprint I've given to this person, that what, this is how you can behave with me, right? So I literally give others the blueprint of how my self-worth is, or how much valuable I am, or how they can treat me. By creating the boundary, or by letting them know that okay, this is the way I treat myself, this is the space I choose for myself, and this is the way I respect myself. And so the way I treat myself, the way I draw the boundaries, or how big boundaries, or how well I draw the lines, with confidence, with power. It is nothing but it tells others that okay, this is what I deserve. So here other people subconsciously again start to take a note that okay, this is how I can treat this person. Okay, this person would not tolerate this from me. Okay, I cannot violate their space, I cannot enter their space, I cannot cross this boundary. So here I'm literally giving other people like this. I am giving the blueprint always. Like here also I have given the blueprint. यहाँ पे भी मैंने वो blueprint दिया था. कैसा blueprint था? That I can shrink, I have no boundaries, I will avoid any confrontation, you can come and talk to me anyway, you can give me anything, you can throw anything on my side, you can insult me, I will tolerate it, just to keep the peace. Here also people are making a note mentally, subconsciously, and that is why they choose to mess with us. कैसे? But the way we were behaving with ourselves, the way I was feeling with myself here, and people can measure it through my body language, through the way I am responding with other people, through the way I am talking with other people. And how iska base kya hai? Why I'm not able to make a boundary here for myself, why it's so easy for me to shrink, because the relationship that I share with myself here is अनहेल्दी. मतलब यहाँ पर कहीं ना कहीं मुझे सच में लगता है दैट व्हाट, आई डोंट डिजर्व टू बी सीन, आई डोंट डिजर्व सो मच स्पेस, अदर पीपल आर बेटर देन मी, दे डिजर्व मोर स्पेस, आई एम नॉट वर्दी इनफ, मेरी इतनी वैल्यू कहाँ है, मैं क्या ही लड़ूँ, किसके लिए लड़ूँ? बिकॉज यार इफ आई डोंट थिंक दैट आई डिजर्व स्पेस, आई डिजर्व रिस्पेक्ट, आई डिजर्व टू बी नॉट इंसल्टेड, टू बी नॉट टॉक्ड विद एनी वे, दैट आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टॉलरेट थिंग्स. So if I don't think that I deserve all of these things, I'm going to act like that, right? So I am acting like I don't deserve all those things. So people are getting the blueprint always. Same way when we come to this place. और यहाँ पर क्या डिफरेंस है, यहाँ से और यहाँ मैं कैसे इंसान बनती हूँ? See, देखने में इजी लग रहा है that यहाँ पे मेरी बाउंड्री श्रिंक थी, यहाँ पे मैंने बाउंड्री ड्रॉ कर लिया. But for me to come to this place from here, what has happened? My relationship with myself has changed, or simply speaking, जब यहाँ पर मुझे लगता था दैट आई डोंट डिजर्व वैल्यू, आई एम नॉट वर्दी इनफ, आई मतलब कुछ भी हो सकता है, आई लाइक यू कैन कम एंड डू एनीथिंग बिकॉज आई जस्ट डोंट डिजर्व इट ऑल. यहाँ पर द थिंग दैट सेम थिंग हैज चेंज्ड. I start to really believe that I deserve things. I deserve this space. I deserve respect. People cannot just come and do or say anything and go. They will have to face the confrontation. I will confront them because I believe I'm valuable. I deserve good things. I'm worthy enough and people cannot mess with me. People get to respect me because I respect myself. And if somebody is there who just does not, who is just not going to respect me, they are, they're allowed to leave. They are no more welcome in my world. I'm not going to be in touch with those people. So and how does that change happen? When my relationship with myself heals, when I truly start to feel worthy enough, when I truly start to look at myself differently, when I truly start to believe that I deserve more and I deserve better, that is when we start to choose better for ourselves. And इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि बाकी लोग बदल जाएंगे, सब लोग मतलब सब लोग आपकी तरफ अच्छा हो जाएंगे because of this blueprint. Your job is only to radiate or give other people the right blueprint of how you want to be treated. So if I tell you that going forward or from tomorrow other people are other people are only going to treat you the way you treat yourself, tell me how you are going to treat yourself. And treat yourself not just in the physical world, not just outright, your self talk also. आप अपने आप से कैसे बात कर रहे हो? How do you see yourself? How confident do you feel in yourself? How much do you think you're worthy enough? How much would your actions change? How much would you start paying attention to, okay, how I am being with myself? So the thing is that you're always giving this blueprint to others, always. And there will always be both kinds of people who will see your blueprint and will treat you accordingly, with respect, with the space that, okay, this person deserves respect and I'm going to give them I'm going to treat them with the same respect and love. That is how you find your people who respect you for who you really are, people with who you can be authentically yourself. You can just have fun, make friends, and there will always be those people also who will just not choose to respect you, who will see the blueprint but they will just not choose to respect you or love you. In that time, in that case, you get to choose. Do I choose this person? Do I choose for them to be in my life, or do I want to choose them to be in my life? That is when you let these people go. You cut off from them. Because now you have drawn the line. Or you have learned to draw the line. Because you have realized your worth. And all the basis of this is, मतलब how, ये यहाँ से हम यहाँ कब आते हैं, ये transformation कैसे होता है? My relationship with myself changes. And that is why it is so important that what is the kind of relationship I am sharing with myself. Because, and trust me, यहाँ से यहाँ जो मैंने दिखा तो दिया है that it's very easy. But when I'm this person, how I'm going to draw this line? ये line कैसे draw करते हैं? By confronting. तो अगर किसी ने मुझे ये कुछ कहा, अगर बाहर से कुछ ऐसी चीज़ आई जहाँ पे I didn't feel like, जहाँ पर if I'm being honest, I would not accept it. So here, instead of just playing out that thing in my mind, I would be vocal about it. मतलब हाँ, and trust me, I'll say it out loud here, डर लगेगा. Because if you have been this person for a very long time, यहाँ से यहाँ आने में it will be a bit scary. I will feel that thing in my heart कि सही है कि नहीं, कहना चाहिए कि नहीं, छोड़ देते हैं, रहने देते हैं. Confrontation will feel hard because I have never done it before. But the thing is that because यहाँ पर I'm going to choose myself, because I don't want to tolerate this in my life going ahead, यहाँ पर I will choose myself and hence I will speak for myself even if the voice is even if the voice is fumbling and I feel scared, I will speak out for myself. तो यहाँ से यहाँ तक का जो सफ़र है देखने में easy लग रहा है, but to complete this, but to be in a place where I'm able to draw the line, where I'm able to distance myself from people who do not choose to respect me, and where I'm able to literally only accept those people and demand respect from people, or only allow those people in who respect me, who treat me with respect and love and care and compassion and kindness. For this to happen, for me to be here, I really need to have a very strong foundation of self concept, or the sense of self that I have. तो यहाँ पर मेरे को जो खुद को देखने का नजरिया है, मेरा जो खुद को लेकर कॉन्सेप्ट है ट्रूली, वो बदलना पड़ता है. वो बहुत ही स्ट्रांग होना चाहिए, और वो होना चाहिए सेल्फ लव का. That I truly think that I deserve all the good things. Of all, I deserve love, I deserve respect. People got to respect me because I simply deserve it. No other reason. तो यहाँ पे कैसे आते हैं? बाय हीलिंग माई रिलेशनशिप विद माई सेल्फ, बाय बिल्डिंग अ वेरी हेल्दी रिलेशनशिप विद माई ओन सेल्फ, एंड दैट इज द वर्क आई डू. बिकॉज जब हम बात करते हैं ना हीलिंग योर रिलेशनशिप विद योर ओन सेल्फ, हीलिंग योर रिलेशनशिप विद योर ओन सेल्फ सिंपली मीन्स दैट all the negative feelings or negative thoughts that I have against my own self, which makes me feel like I don't deserve enough, I'm not worthy enough, उस पर वर्क करना. और हम कैसे वर्क करते हैं? थ्रू इनर वर्क. इनर वर्क क्या होता है? बाय वर्किंग ऑन व्हाट्स विद इन मी ट्रूली. सी हमारी फिजिकल लाइफ, एक्सटर्नल वर्ल्ड वो हमसे बाहर होती है, बट यू नो व्हाट क्रिएट्स दैट थिंग, या फिर हाउ आई फील इन माई सेल्फ, इट ऑल कम्स फ्रॉम थॉट, द वे आई थिंक. सो माई आउटर रियलिटी एक्चुअली डज नॉट मैटर मोर. What matters more, or what matters of all the things, is what is within me, which consists of thoughts and feelings. So when I say inner work, it is about working on your thoughts and feelings, dominant thoughts and feelings, which does not make you feel good about yourself. So when we work on those thoughts and feelings, and when we process those emotions, when we are able to come to that is when we are able to come to a position where you start to feel love for yourself, where you forgive yourself, where you understand yourself. So that is the work and this is the work I do. I help people go from a place where they do not like themselves, or they do not think that they're worthy enough, or they're just not able to feel that love for themselves, that respect for themselves, and where they feel very uncomfortable being in their body, to a place. I help these people come to a place where they feel comfortable being themselves, where they accept themselves, where they finally feel in peace with who they are, which is nothing but feeling confident in the person that you are, in the body that you are, being able to look at yourself in the mirror and not feel bad or sad about your own self. So this is what I help you with, and I offer coaching session for this. So if you want to do this work, you can book your clarity call with me. First clarity calls are free. It's a very beautiful space where you can really come and really speak out what's really within you, troubling you. And so my first clarity call is free of cost. At present it is free. So to have your first clarity call, DM me session. I'll put my number in the comment and description. And yeah, DM me session, and I will see you in the call. Bye bye.